SMMA is an incredibly powerful business model with thousands of agency owners having employed this to transform their lives. Maybe you would have seen some people on Instagram or YouTube who are making millions with this business model. But before you think that this can make you rich in no time, I want to tell you that in order to make money, you have to learn to give value to your clients. So I'm going to tell you all the important things you need to know about SMMA. Either you are a beginner or you have some knowledge about marketing. This video could be really helpful to you. So watch the full video and also like this video. What is SMMA? Those of you who don't know about this, well, let me explain you. SMMA stands for Social Media Marketing Agency. It means that your agency should provide marketing services. All your clients need promotion on social media and need good branding and all this stuff. Most of the marketing agencies provide myriad services like blog posting, content creation, videography, graphic design, and Google ads or Facebook ads, and SEO. A lot of other things are there. You can conclude all of these things under the name SMMA. First, you have to learn all these things in order to start it. So you can check free courses available on YouTube, or you can buy a course on Udemy too. And usually courses conclude all these things. So you have to buy one course and you will learn all these things. And it is not that difficult. It wouldn't take you much time in this because it's not like programming or something big difficult thing. It's just a business model and just a simple thing which you need to learn. So all you need to learn is marketing. But yeah, experience matters a lot in this stuff. So it will take time to improve your skills. And once you are done with this stuff like learning SEO and managing social media accounts and using Google ads, you are ready to go. Now further, according to me, I have divided SMMA into two types. The first one is individually and the second one is agency. If you are a beginner and have no knowledge about marketing or stuff, then you can take courses on Udemy or watch free tutorials available on internet, and then you can go with the individual business. And if you have some knowledge about marketing and you got some cash in your pocket too, then you can ask one or two friends to join with you, or one or two maybe brother or sister of you. You can ask them and start the business with them. Now, what type of services you can provide to them? Usually, most of the marketing agency provide the common type of service, because of which people don't like to go for them, and the competition level is so high that you would hardly receive any client. What you can do is like buy an Insta page, having 50 to 60,000 followers. It would cost near about 200 euro or 300 euro. What you can do is provide extra service like organic views from your social media account, and the people are obviously, those views will be counted as organic and not as a Google ads. So organic views matters a lot in the industry. So overall, what I'm trying to say is you have to provide something extra compared to other agencies, so people would come to you and buy your services. In this business, clients are usually not the customers or the consumers. Like in the individual case, you're promoting a YouTube channel, then it may be concluded as a customer, but usually we are focused on businesses. So it is a B2B type business. If you are going with the agency, it is sure that you are going to deal with the businesses. For example, you have created everything on SMMA and now you need clients. What you can do, there are two ways. Either you can get the clients physically or you can get the clients digitally. The digital ways, you can go on Twitter and see that the people who are following Shopify on Twitter, you can simply message them and daily ask 100 people that would they like to subscribe my SMMA services, and this is what I will provide and this is how I will help them to grow. Yeah, we have to talk them with proper way so that they would be ready to buy our services. And out of 100 people, maybe you would get one or two clients. Maybe you don't get any clients, and then maybe another day you do it again and then you may get any client. So that's how it works. And the other way is to go physically. Like there is a gym nearby your place, so simply what you have to do is to go to that gym and ask the owner that I'm going to provide these services. I'm going to make an online website, I'm going to make a social media account, and just making your gym a good brand and just doing some promotion and getting you fame. That's all your service is. And in exchange of that, I'm going to charge this much per month. So it's obvious if he would love to hear that, you would really go for this. But sometimes what happens, the people don't like the idea and they may get angry and say you some rude words. So usually people focus on digital way. But if you have that much confidence to get out and work like a businessman, then that's good. You should go for that. Now the final question comes, how much you can earn? That's the main point. Well, I can't tell you particularly how much you can earn, but it depends on a lot of things. If your services are being bought at a high level, or if you are selling services at a high price, it is obvious that you would be earning a lot. But if very less people are buying from you and you are selling at a very low price, it's obvious that you will earn less. So if we see practically, like you are having two clients. One is the gym and one is the barber. And you are charging them $500 each for a month. So you are making $1,000, and $1,000 is not your profit. Maybe you would be using $200 for your ads, $100 for your page. So overall, you would be, like you can say, keep a margin near about 40 to 60%. So you can keep $400 to $600 in your pocket, and the rest can be put as a service for the business. And that is really not low amount, but some people are making millions out there doing it. So what they do is they make a website, and all the things are provided there. Like it is kind of a subscription, just like Netflix. They make a proper website and provide subscription offers like standard pack, basic pack, and a premium pack. So they just promote their website and people find it, and then they ultimately subscribe to their services. So it is a scalable business and a lot of people will buy it. That's why they are earning a lot. And moreover, in the other case, if you want to make money with the individual way, what you can do is sell your services online by finding people, and maybe you would be having 10 clients or 15 clients. Then think just how much you can earn. Maybe you would be making $5,000, $6,000 too. So that's how the things work. At the end, I just want to say SMMA is not easy, but if you work hard in the long time, you would ultimately win. Hope this video was helpful, and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Also check out this video if you want to learn how to make money with AI.